some anomalies on Mars that I think are pretty amazing. It doesn't matter what we find on Mars. The scientists always want to come out and speculate that it's a rock, it's a shadow, it's this, it's that, and they always try to write it off as something else, no matter what it is. Well, in this case, I'm about to show you some amazing detail that, in my opinion, goes far beyond any excuse that they can try to cough up. Now, let me back out a little bit here. I'm going to start off in the directions here for those of you that want to find these. Start off with the North Pole facing to the west, as you can see here, with this crater in the middle. Now, the coordinates I was given, I followed, didn't take me to the spot I was looking for, but after doing a lot of searching, I found a lot more than just what you're about to see. Now, if you zoom in, you'll see this crater here. This will pop up. Continue to zoom in, following this, skipping no frames, to where you come into this. Continue to keep coming in until you find this. You guys see that? That looks to be an entrance to the underground. And it looks to me to be perfectly square. It looks to have intelligent design in it. And it is different than the ones I'm about to show you that are the same size in nature. Guys, that is an entrance to the underground. That is not a rock formation. That is not caused by wind. That is not caused by water. And if so, you take this to the NASA scientists and you have them explain this one away. You see that entrance? It is massive. Now check this out. We're going to keep on scrolling along here. And to my amazement, and I'm just scrolling to the left here, after doing some looking thoroughly at some of these places, what do you know? What do we have here? It looks like another entrance into the underground. And as you can tell, this one is situated a little bit different. It's created with a little bit different design. The interior's different. The inside's different compared to the other ones. Now, I have found 7 of these entrances going underground. And I got to give a shout out to Finding UFO and Sandra Andrade that originally sent me this information. They had found the one I'm going to show you last here. But I want to point these out and let it be known that these entrances are on Mars. They are perfectly square. If you zoom in here, you're going to see another one that they've photoshopped over. They've airbrushed it out completely. You come over here, there's an even larger one. They've airbrushed that out almost all the way, where you can barely see that it's there. As well as this one that is sitting here. They've airbrushed this out as well. Now look, this is a structure, guys. This is a squared off structure. This is not made by Mother Nature. This is not made by wind or water erosion, now that they're trying to say that there was water on Mars. I'm here to tell you that these are entrances to the underground. They are plain as day going underground. You can tell they've tried to hide many of them, but they did not get all of them. We're going to keep on going. Back out a little bit here. Oh, do you see this? Do you see this one? Look at that. Look at the design. Look at this coming off the top. Look at this. They've still altered all these images. We're not getting the best quality, obviously. I want you to pay attention to the design on this, okay? These are entrances going underground on Mars, in my opinion, and it's right here for everyone to see. They've tried to airbrush out the other ones, even the larger one. Here's a big one here. They've airbrushed this all the way up and through to try to obscure it, but they forgot that one. And we'll make our way over here along the way. And I seen 7 that stood out solid, that were big, that I counted. There may be more, but at least 7. So I'm going to go with that number. And you can see here, this one's different. It has a different design. It has different features, but it is completely square. It is cut out, and it is going into the planet. Guys, these are not rock formations. These are not caused by weather, anything of that nature that they're trying to write this off as being. And this has got to be one of the best. And let me back out here. This is the original one that was shown to me. And you can find this right here in this spot that's got this cut taken out of it. And I'll back out all the way here one time and zoom back in. And guys, here you have it. In this one, the features on this one. Look at that. Look at the design on this, man. It's different than the other ones you just witnessed. And you're telling me that this is natural? That these are natural? I do not think so. I'm sure the NASA scientists, when everyone's talking about this one, are going to be like, oh, it's an artifact, or it's something. Too bad. They are all different. Every single hole is different.